Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. It's a countertop heated display and glass units. As we can see the front, we're having two sliding glass doors. The people can access the food or any pastries, bakeries, or pancakes. And also we're having the temperature displays at the bottoms and the LED lights on top of the units. Let me give the measurement for the overall sizes. For the unit's entire length, about 30.5 inches long. And the height of the unit is about 27.5. And depth of the unit is about 19 inches deep. So when we turn around, we can see the ETL sanitation stickers on the side of the units. Also have diagrams and detailed information about the products. From back of the units, we can see they also have two sliding glass doors right here, and also have control knobs, indicators, switches, and also units using the standard 110 plugs right here. For the inner side dimensions, the top layer is about 12 inches, and middle will be about 13 inches, and the bottom is about 14 inches deep. From rack to rack, it's about 32 inches wide. And the overall height is about 16 inches tall. This will be all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.